Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send photo in Gmail. First, click the compose button in the left side under the Gmail logo, and then click on the insert photo that located in the bottom bar. We can either choose from Google Photo because there is no photo in my Google Photo. We can upload the new photo from our computer or insert a URL of the photo or of the image. In this tutorial, I will try to upload from my computer. Click this upload tab and click this browse button and select the photo that you will upload. Then here you go. There is an image that we upload in the email body. We can add a recipient and subject. And click the send button to send this photo to this recipient. And we can view the message. Then here is it. We already sent a photo to the recipient. And yeah, there is how to send a photo in Gmail. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Bye.